welcome back to my channel. Today is Thursday and time is 4:36. I just watched Riman's video and that's why I'm getting this energy, but this energy is I borrowed from him. It's like I borrowed from him. I hate it when I learn from others. I should learn from my own experience, from my own being, but I just hate it when I learn from others. So I'm getting his energy automatically. So I think it will take some time to calm down. And I hate it when I'm not being myself. I hate it when I imitate others. I hate it so much. I need to calm down. I just showered, maybe that's why I'm getting full on energy. I don't know. I think it is very important to look into these small matters when something points out. This is the front part of our house. That is the main gate. And this is our house. I just put the muggu isna baita. I'm putting the chalk again back. So guys, this is a plain paper. Think that this line is time. It does not exist, but just think that it is time. And I'm writing here as time. And let's say that this time is just 0 to 30 seconds. 0 second to 30 second. And just think that I have to go outside of my house, and it takes 0 to 30 seconds. So I'll just put as another line. This is getting out of house, and it takes 0 to 30 seconds. I'm just putting, this is an example, that's it. And let's say that I have to eat something, and it also takes 0 to 30 seconds. And this is a verb. We are doing some action. Okay, I'll put it as action. And this is time. This is action, this is action, this is time. And let's say that I have to think something. Let's say that I have some marriage to attend tomorrow, and I have to think about the outfit. So I'll think about the outfit in the 0 to 30 seconds. So this is a thought. Outfit. Like, see how all these are getting in 0 to 30 seconds, and we are thinking in 30 seconds, and we are doing some action in 30 seconds. So it is like we are taking some time, and we are if we are thinking, we are naming it as thought. If we are doing some action, we are naming it as some action. And if we are doing something, we are naming it as doing something. So it's just a matter of measurement, as Krishnamurti said. Like Krishnamurti have said that time is measurement, and we are living in measurement. We are measuring everything, like from morning to evening. We are measuring our morning breakfast and evening snacks, dinner time, and morning outfit, anything it might be. So we are measuring everything. We are measuring. Okay, so one day has 24 hours. We are measuring 24 hours into small bits. That's how time is working, guys. So actually there is no time, but we are naming it. We are taking some amount of time, some amount of what can I say, some amount of number. We are taking some amount of number and putting it as time. So that's how it's working. I hope you guys have understood. There is no time actually. For this, you have to meditate. You have to meditate like anything. Then only you will get to know. That's it. I hope you guys have understood my blabbering. I hope you guys have understood that. And yes, I want so bad to tell that people that there is no time, that there is no need to rush, there is no need to take any tension like that, because there is no time only, there is no tomorrow only. What will I do, what will we do when there is no time? The tension we are taking every day, the rushing we are doing every day is just the ideas. It's just the it's just some ideas or some kind of, you know, we have to do that, we have to do this, we should do that, we should do this. But that we are doing in some amount of number, some amount of time, some amount of measurement, so that in that we are caught up. I hope I'm making sense right now. I don't know. In that we are caught up, and in that we are running 24 hours, like days unendable. So we are running like 24 hours, sleeping and then waking up and then doing something, and then sleeping and then waking up and then doing something, and we are caught in that. Let me show you something. So here I measured the time. No, so there is something out of time, which is stillness, which is presence, which can be said as time stopped. So this is all happening at the surface level, and on the deeper level there is stillness, there is presence, there is time stopped. Like there is no time here. Like it is happening on the surface level only. So if we are thinking, okay, so this is a thought, right? This is a thought, right? Outfit is a thought, right? I'm thinking of the outfit. If I think consciously, then I might not caught up in this time, I might not caught up in this tangle, I might get in the deeper section of the stillness. Like if we do everything with conscious, with slower motion, with conscious breath, then we might fall into this stillness, this presence, and this time stopped stage. It is a stage, guys. It is not something to be achieved. We already have that time stopped stage in us, but we are so far away from that stage that we are not even thinking, we are not even we don't even know that there is something like that, because we are just caught up in this whole 24 hours area. So this is also a stage, guys. This is a non toxic cycle, I must say. So what are we living every day in 24 hours is like a toxic cycle. We are just getting up and bathing, rushing to office, and then coming back and then getting tired, and then sleeping, and then getting up and then rushing to office and coming. So this has become a toxic cycle. We are just doing. That is a measurement. I hope I'm making sense right now. That is a measurement, guys. That is a measurement we are living. That's it. To understand all of this, one should be open to hear, one should open to listen, one should open to be understandable, because this is I know this is a very complex situation. This is a very complex what can I say? This is a very complex structure or theory, but you guys need to hear up. You guys need to listen up what I'm trying to say, so that you can get out of the toxic cycle of 24 hours every day. There is no 24 hours every day. There is infinite time actually. One day has infinite time. So ever since I knew time, ever since I knew what is happening with time, I wanted to tell everyone, like I wanted to shout out my lungs, like there is no time, we don't have to worry, we don't have to rush. I just wanted to tell everyone like there is no time, but I didn't had the guts. First of all, I thought people might call me crazy, because there is, you know why people call us crazy when we talk things like this. So but right now I'm opening up a little bit, not little bit, even more. So maybe I'll get you some idea on how time works, like there is no time. Let me get pen and paper. I don't want to blabber on time. I don't want to like go gaga on time. I don't want to go like rushing on time. I'm just telling what is time. You guys understand. If you want to understand, you can skip it. If you want to skip it, and yes, welcome to my normal vlog now.